welcome to Stockholm in the partner area where we are now. And we have decided that we really wanted to interview Jack. You will have a session later.
I will, yes.
Yes. But you will not be streamed, so I wanted the digital audience to actually hear a little bit about what you're saying and a little bit about the important topics that you are talking about.
Okay, good. Nice to meet you, yes, and great to be welcome back to Symmetry as well.
Oh, you're so welcome. On your breakout session, you are talking about how we can take digital twins into the metaverse. How can we interact in XR devices to harness the power of BIM?
Okay, so one of the great things that we have available is to bring in all the goodness from your BIM models from any source that it may be it your Autodesk products or other similar ones. And with that metadata, you can experience it in virtual reality, or really augmented reality is the biggest potential, because everybody has a good smartphone in the last couple of years. And you think of your experience could be either interacting with your objects, so that could be just switching lights on or off, being able to move things around, maybe the arrangement of the office space or the home that you're trying to develop. But it also could be how you interact with your customers too. So that metaverse piece is about social interaction, not necessarily just in a device, but how you interact with other people. So if you think of Ready Player One, the film by Spielberg, which was made in Unity, it's also, I want to be in there. So rather than watching a screen like Teams, it's actually being your project metaverse. And that's where I think you'll get the most benefit from metaverse impacting the AC industry.
Yeah. And I agree, absolutely. And how do you see the visualization as the one tool in projects in terms of smart buildings and facilities?
So I think with visualization, we've used it for years. We typically render images out for various purposes. And the idea of that is for the non-technical user, your stakeholder, your client, their customers can understand what it is that they're having designed by you. And I think visualization is just that common theme that people understand something, where years ago we only did technical drawings and nobody understood anything unless you were the person drawing the drawing. But now it's quite common that you understand at least the space that you live in. You may as well understand the thing that you're designing. So visualization, I don't think it always has to be super high-end, because you need a super high-end machine. We can do those kind of things, but we also can run on the cheapest smartphone. We run in a web browser, so we can bring the visualization to anybody, anywhere, and with no limitations. And that's where I think we'll bring the most benefits, visualization to everybody.
Really good answer.
It's like I've seen the questions, isn't it?
Well.
Never mind.
And what makes Unity the best platform for digital twins?
I would say on our side, and there is other game engines out there, and we're just one of many. We're focusing on the feature and functionality, rather than just purely visuals. So if you want visuals, there's really good mature products in the marketplace, probably already using. We aim to bring the things to that experience that nobody else delivers. So like, I used to work at Autodesk and I would wait obviously a couple of years for certain buttons to appear. Now I can add a button in 5 minutes and have it in my application that I send to my customer. So if you want to be more flexible, more bespoke with what you deliver to your end users, Unity is the best way to get there. Use all the goodness of what you have in your designs and bring it out in brand new use cases and experiences.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Great to be back here.
Have a great day.
You too, and thanks. And see you soon. And hopefully, if you want to see my presentation, we'll make it available for download so you can see it another day. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.